Hey, blessed morning, blessed morning. So I haven't been on in a minute. Probably been like 2 weeks. Probably. I've been posting up like little shorts and stuff like that. I hope my mouth don't mouth wrong. Cause y'all know how it be, at least until I pay my phone bill, gigabytes, a little low. But anyway, so I've been supposed to came out here to show y'all my free gift from Shein, which was a wig. So let me show y'all my free gift. And it looks so much better than, I should have bought this instead of buying the other two that I bought. At least the other one that I bought. But this is my free gift from Shein. This is a wig. We gonna see how it look. I ain't never had no wig before. Well, besides what my auntie gave me that a long time ago, but this got a lace front. So this is the wig, and it's free. It's free. I guess it's all right, y'all. I guess. We got the lace. It got even little bitty baby hairs. So this is the wig. It do have 2 combs that come right here. And it also has a lace in the back. I don't even know how to tack this thing down. And it comes with a strap. Not a scrap, but a strap. So yeah, I want y'all to see how it looks. Let's take, oh Lord. Take this off. Now, I don't know how to, like, tack this in or do, I don't have no glue or none of that type stuff. I do got some spray, some got-to-be glue spray. I guess that'll work. I don't know which way this band go, but I guess the grippy part go. But anyway, let's see. Ain't no tightening. Yeah, this is a big wig. Hold on. I had a small head. Hold on. It feels so cray. This is the wig, y'all. We gonna see how it's gonna look once I try to tack it down. If I can't like glue it down, I'm gonna try to do it with y'all. If I can't glue it down the way that I want to, then it's gonna be a lace front. Because all my legs lace fronts, whether they lace fronts or not. So yeah, but this the wig. I think it's cute. But we don't know how, cause look, let me show y'all. I don't really know about the lines in it and stuff. But we'll see. Anyway, so let me see. I don't know what's on the agenda today. Hopefully I get a chance to do this throw rug. Still haven't done that yet. I don't know, a couple of other things. We'll see. But what up, though? Welcome to my channel, Simply Melody Vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. All right, bye. Okay, y'all. One thing really quick. Like, I don't know what this day is going to bring, but the things that I want to do, we don't know if it's going to work out. But I'm doing a photo shoot really soon for something, and we go do a little makeup just to see, because I'm doing it myself, and I don't really wear makeup. I don't have all of, like, all the stuff that the little girlies use for makeup, because I don't wear makeup. But I do have some foundation, like the powdered foundation. I got that, and I think I got some, what's that stuff called? Like, you put it, like, right there to concealer. That's what it's called, concealer. So I do got some concealer and stuff, and So yeah, we go do some makeup, Mello's way, cause oh my word, cause I need to try to do this makeup. I need to try. This is irritating. I need to try several looks, but I'll do one look with you guys to see, just to see, cause I don't know how to do makeup, and I really need to try. Oh my word, that's irritating as fuck. Anyway. So yeah, we go try to see with this makeup thing. Like that just irritated me. I need my other one because that is too big for my head. I got a small peanut head. And stuff I put on my head be too big and it irritates me. But anyway, so we go do a little makeup. That might be the first thing we do. Just to see how, you know, it's gonna look or whatever. And so yeah, so catch you guys back in a minute. Oh, I had to see if it was working. Okay, y'all, so we're about to get started with the makeup. Let's see how it's gonna go. But this is like, so I have these colors right here. I have, this is a book of beauty. This is face and eye makeup. So we're gonna check out these colors. Don't know if I'm going to use this. Just showing you guys. I might put on some lashes, not for sure. But this is just like my little stuff. And I got brushes down here and just some of everything. So did this just turn out? So yeah, so let me show y'all my blush. Here somewhere. It is in here somewhere. Is it? No, that's highlighter. It's like that. Oh, I forgot I did put tape on that. So hold on, let me find my blush. So it looks like we won't be doing any makeup because I can't even find my powder makeup. My daughter probably got it. I don't even see no concealer. Okay, hold on. We still gonna do some makeup. We just go do something different. Okay, y'all, so I did this eye. I used these right here. And I used the number 11. How they look? I don't know. So I guess it's right. I don't know. We'll see how they work. I'll be back. Let me do the other eye because I can't do this. Anyway, whatever. Be back. Y'all just made a concoction for like a foundation. And I'm using this Priceless Me foundation. Primer. So yeah, it's really soft. It's so soft. And it's soft. It's really, really, really soft, y'all. It's soft. I ain't never felt a primer like this before. because it was always like the cheap shit. I don't even know what that is, but it's so soft. So I don't know how this concoction gonna work for a foundation, but we're about to see. Let me pull y'all a little closer. That stuff all on my floor, my makeup and stuff. Looking for stuff. Okay. Okay. This is so crazy. But I just want to see, right? I need to see. So this is my look concoction. This is literally all I have. Because I don't want to use a lot. I just needed to see something. So we gonna see if this is going to work, right? And I'm not even using the right brush. Let me go and just use this foundation brush. I'm gonna put a little product on here, and this is not my face color, so this is why I'm trying to see how it's going to look. Let's see how it's going to look. Well, let's make it go at it. So I got one of my colors. I think I put too much on the damn brush. This is nowhere near. Oh Lord, it's like them people that don't know what they doing like me. And we're trying to do something. Cause I need to see. Oh look. Okay, it's. I mean, look kind of like reddish, oranges or something. It's not looking as bad. So I had to make a concoction. I used what's this stuff? I used some of this. This is concealer, and then I used some of this elf, and then I used like a little dark color of mascara. This stuff you put right here on your eyes. I used like a dark color of that. So I said, well, let's see what this is about to do because, oh, sorry. But I don't really know what I'm doing, but I need to see how a look is going to look, if you know what I mean. So, and I'm not good at this. It's the only mirror. Well, I do have, well, it is another mirror, but I need like a and then it's making it like, because I don't have the right, ooh, that looks good. Because I don't have like the right, my face looks like the right stuff on my face. And, I'm trying to get up under here. I think I put too much on my forehead. Okay. This is probably Like best. I'm gonna get it. I don't know why I'm doing this, y'all. Like, what am I trying to pat the shit in my face or something? Is it gonna change colors on the nigga? Um, the crazy thing about it, the color is not that bad. Now, I don't know how to put warmth and all that shit back in, so we just go try to make, we're winging it. We're winging it all the way. We're winging it. Um, I don't want to put no more of that stuff on. That's too much. I don't know. Do I supposed to put foundation on up here? I mean, you know, it's your face, right? I don't know. Foundation all on my hair and stuff. Okay, y'all. This, it looks, from looking in the mirror, it looks okay. But looking in the camera, we'll see. Okay. All right, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm supposed to be rolling up a one. I ain't do that yet. Okay. Now I gotta think what's next from here. Baby wipes. Now I gotta think what's next from here. What do, maybe I should have looked at a video or two. Let's see if I can like, let's see. I probably need this, but I want to see if I can like, let's see, that's okay. So we get that step done, right? Hold on, y'all. So y'all want to take this off my face, but I really need to see how it's going to look. Um, what I'm about to do in a minute, I'm about to braid my hair to the back so I can put that wig on and see how that's going to be. So I may do my natural, regular, silver, gray, black hair, whatever, gray hair. Or I may put on a wig, but I need to see, look at this. But I need to see, you know that stuff you put right here, concealer. I need some concealer. I think that's the stuff called, like you put it right there. And I don't think I can use this because it may, I don't know, we go see. Is that for that? I don't know. But we go see what we can use for concealer, or we just go do like some eye makeup and just, you know, without no concealer or anything. And I probably put like a little, this like a bomb highlight. I gotta tape because it's broke. But do the concealer, and then I'm gonna like do some makeup on my eyes. I don't know um, how it's going to look. Do that say? Oh, I don't know how it's going to look, but we just go see. We gonna make it do what it do because I want to at least try to do this photo shoot. This, if not this week, next week. So we go see what it do. I'm so irritated. I don't know where my no, it's not. I don't know where somebody took my foundation blush, and I'm so irritated. I just bought it, and I probably only used it once to see how it was going to look or whatever. I don't know where it's at, and I'm irritated. But anyway, look, I was thinking about using this, right? To like, I might have to give it that little line, you know? Let me see. I'll be back, y'all. Can y'all see that? This is this. This is like for this up there. It's not a lot in it, but y'all see that? I'm going to use that for that. Mm-hmm. You can make your own rouge and makeup. At least I can because I don't got shit. So I'll be back. Now, which two did I say? Did I say this color yet? No, that's not it. So we about to do this. I'm going to be online when I try to finish most of this. So I'm going to use this right here. Excuse me. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use this color right here. And I think I'm going to mix it with this, right? Let's see what color this is. I can't even fucking see the name. Anyway, I can't see the name of the color, but I'm about to use these two colors, and I'm going to try to do this thing, whatever that's called. I'm going to try to do that. And this is like the darkest color, so this is why I'm using this, and this is eye makeup, but hey, we got to do how I go. Let me see. But we go use this color, and damn, I hate that my face is not. So y'all, I was in an abusive relationship, and my face is not facing. But it'd be better if I turned this way, right, y'all? It would be so much better if I turned that way. I don't know how this gonna be, y'all. I hope it turned out somewhat the way I wanted to turn out. But if not, hey, you know, this just practice. This is just practice. You know, gotta practice first. And then, you know, what, like when I do the makeup, you know, for real for my pre photo shoot, it's I'm gonna have all the right stuff. Cause I gotta see like everything that I have to get like far as makeup wise. I don't wear makeup, so I don't really know, but so I don't know how far down or up I supposed to go, but that's it. Is that it? Okay, we just gonna make it do what it does. Look for this brush. That's not the one I want. Let's try this one. It's too big, but let's see what it do. That's kind of dark, huh, y'all? And then it's like, hold on. The thing about it, this is not the right thing. So, so it's not even like really. I don't know. I'm trying to like get it to where it's like. And this is mascara, so ain't that called mascara? No, it's eyeshadow. But okay, I don't know. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm about to do my eyes. They're not pretty. Well, we just about to do something. I don't like line them, but we are today. At least I'm gonna try to, cause I don't know what I'm doing, but we gonna see what it's going to do. Since I'm a concealer, I'm gonna do my daughter done brought her concealers in here, y'all. I could have been using them the whole time. I had to make up my own damn concoctions and shit. Y'all, I do this to try to get it urged. Oh, I hit myself from down my hand. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but oh, this video 30 minutes. Mm. Okay, let me finish these and I'll be back. All right, y'all. It took me like forever to do this. Okay, so we about to do some color, and real quick, the color is going to be really, really quick. I like color, so we go do some bright, bright color. Maybe I should do just one shade of bright color or two shades of bright colors. Let's see. Maybe we'll go with blue. Ooh, let's see. We'll go with blue. We're going to try to do like a little shade of blue. We just go buff it out. And then we go do a pop of a lip. I think I got some blue lipstick. I don't know. Let's see. Should I put some concealer on first? This blue don't look like I thought it was going to look. But we go work with it. After we turn it towards your way. Sorry, my bad. We go work with it though. It's kind of cute. I want it to be a brighter color than its glitters right there. So I took the blue and then I took a lighter blue and it turned into this like ridiculously color. So then I took like some little brown, tan, beige, tan, whatever, and tried to put it in the corners, you know, to try to like blend it out somehow. I don't know, but let's try to install this wig since I done all this extraness. So, and I supposed to been doing the freaking throw rug, but I guess that'll have to come later, probably tomorrow or something. Being since I done all this, and I don't really know what I'm doing. But first, hold on. I don't know what I'm doing. But so the only thing I can cut like is this part all the way from here, right? But the ears, it seems so fucking weird. So I'm gonna try to do this with y'all, but I need to get this taken care of first. I'll be right back. Okay, let's cut this lace real quick. And it's a little back lace too. I'm gonna have to cut that. But that's all I can do is cut the lace because this wig is made weird. It really is. Even though it was a gift from Shein for playing the game, it's still made weird. So let's just try to cut this. And I'm trying not to mess up the baby hairs. This is, I messed up really, really, really bad. Okay, let's just cut this little back piece off. I don't even know what this is for because I ain't even about to do that down, I don't think. Alright, let's see. Is this? Oh, this wig is really, really, really big on my head. And then I guess you're supposed to like cut the ear parts out. Alright. See, that's all messed up, huh? See, I just messed that whole motherfucking thing up. I got another one too. Maybe I should put both of them on my head. Told y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, but okay, so. And then we like, hold on. If winging it was the person, because I done winged this motherfucker all the way through. Excuse me. Let's try to put this up so I don't know that. Maybe I'm supposed to wait till I try it. I don't know, but let's try to. So we go. We go spray that. I don't know how. Ain't supposed to like just let this sit for a minute, I guess. I blow dry it. Take it. I had some on this. So trying. Let me blow dry this and come back. Alright, y'all. I don't know how y'all do this shit. I really, really, really don't. But we go try to do it. But you know what? I'm gonna have to do this offline because I can't. I'll be back. Okay, I'm having issues, so we go just try to hurry up and finish this off real quick because I'm getting very, very irritated and this stuff is not really working the way that I wanted to. So we just go pull this back. I don't see how you guys do this on a regular. Fucking knit, bitch. Fucking knit, bitch. So, and that was a net. And then I do get blood, but that was a net. So, I don't know what I'm doing, but we go do this, right? And I know I have to set it. So, oh, I've been messing up the little makeup that I put on my face. So, this make it. Oh, y'all know what I need? A band. I need a band. I don't have a band. I do not have a band. I'm just going to try to blow dry this real quick just so it can stick a little bit. Should have did one side first. That's what I should have did. Well, it's doing something. Look, I don't care. As long as it's just thick. You just... Look, y'all. Let's see. Now I have baby hairs on here. I'm not really concerned with the baby hairs or nothing like that. But I don't even know what my little comb is. I'm gonna use this one real quick. Cause I don't know what my little comb is. Yo, I was looking. That look horrible. They got a little baby hairs. Let's see if I can find these bad boys. See if I can find these bad boys. I'll be back, y'all. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. So I sprayed some got to be glue on the edge trying to like slick them down because we don't really do edges and I don't know what I'm doing. But we just trying to make it look like something, make it do something. Hold on. Okay. First time, I kind of ate this shit up a little bit. So I'm just trying to like fix this little pieces of makeup. Okay, let's do a lip really quick. And yeah, let's do a lip really quick. Really quick. I don't know where my eyeliner, I don't feel like looking. Let's do brown. Let's do a lip really quick. And Y'all say that ain't how you do makeup and all that. I know I was just like all off, all out of bound, all out of whack. Maybe I should just go with a gloss. I think, you know what? A gloss. We was go with a. We just go do a gloss. Okay. We go do a gloss. And yeah. Take this off my hands. So yeah. Oh, I got these clips in. First time. Wig installment. Don't come for me. Do not. We just go put on like a nice little gloss. A nice glossy lip. Let's see what I want to put on my lip. Okay, so let's do a lip. These is like actually the colors I have on my eyes, but we go do this color lip, y'all. You gonna see what it. I somewhat ate this up. Eat it up. I don't want it so dark. Hold on. Okay, y'all. This is the finishing touches. See? I mean, you most definitely can tell that it's a wig. And plus, I didn't like color my hair piece thingy or whatever. This is too much. This is like too much for your girl. But anyway, this is it. This is it. Yeah. Beginner makeup wig tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any messages in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I forgot to set my face. Yeah, I forgot to do this. I was like, this shit. Hold on. I can't even see. What? What? She making me sweat. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Hold on, y'all. Did I just... I lost a lash. I'm done.